How to use Dollar Tree golf balls on the wall. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be using golf balls for my DIY. This is a requested video, so I'm going to be starting with picture frames that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a 5x7 and an 8x10. I'll be removing the parts that I don't need anymore and attaching these two frames together. After taking off everything, I left the glass because the glass is very important for this project. I'm gluing them together with a hot glue gun because they're very light in weight, but if you like, you can also use a strong adhesive. I'll be using these Dollar Tree bowls as well for this project. It comes 12 in a pack, but I'll be using just 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue the golf balls to the Dollar Tree bowl. If you like, you can cover the whole thing if you have a much wider frame. But if I do that, it's not going to let me put this on my frame, so I'm going to stop here. When I was done, I took them out and I spray painted them gold. Now this will be glued in the middle of the small frame. This is quite simple and elegant, but if you wanted to get up a notch, you can use mirrors at the background so that it would have a nice reflection. I'll be covering the edges of the mirror with pieces from a 5x7 Dollar Tree frame. You can use scissors to make the cuts, but I'm going to be using an angle cutter that is perfect for cuts like this, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. Now I'm going to make sure that I don't have cracks on my cuts. So what I'm going to do is cover up the parts where I'm going to be cutting with tape. And this will reduce the vibration that's going to occur while cutting. And this vibration is what makes it crack. So I'm going to avoid all that by covering it with tape before cutting. This is going to be glued on at the corners of the mirror with a hot glue gun. These are not heavy at all, that's why I use the hot glue gun only to attach them to the mirror. At the back, I'm going to be using command strips that can hold a lot of weight, and I use the one that can actually hold up to 16 pounds of weight. So I'll be using 2 pairs that can hold 32 pounds of weight, which is more than what this weighs. But I made 3 and I mounted them all on the wall, and I love the way they look. I hope this is close to what the person who made this request wanted. And if you all love the way this DIY turned out as well, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.
If we hold ourselves together.